Right, now then guys, here we have the Stank Tractor Run 2025. Nice fast track there. You alright, Sarah? Silver Jubilee's up there. Easy, Isaac. Silver Jubilee up here. Got the original one and all, that's nice that. David Brown down here. Blue smoking up there, big bloody hell. Yeah. That thing's a bit knackered, I reckon. Alright. Same ones as 6410. 40 series, there it loader. An old international, you alright? Dexter, you alright? Oh, it's Henry! You alright, Henry? Look at this rig. Volvo engine in that sounds lovely. Industrial one, I see, yeah. T6 160. Blue power. Nice rig is that. International air, you alright? Then another international. You alright? And 35 with engine conversion. You alright? Sounds well. 135 there. 4600. A-Test Massey. Good air on there. Enough field here. David Brown 900. You alright? Nice little thing that. It's for sale as well. Oh, Simpsons are coming past. Yeah. 135. Simpsons. He came past the other day. Oh, look at this. Vent there. Look at that. bloody lovely is that? Massive. Yeah. T7030, yeah. Fast track. Straight pipe. Comic. Vulture. TM. What the hell's this coming down here, Ben? What's this? John Deere. That's a fair thing. You alright? So that's a Nash with no cab, that's a fair thing, that is. $135. Another blue power. T7270. Case. 150 Maxim. Here's Aaron. In T6. Nash behind him. Vulture. Case. 160 Puma. Aaron's dad is in this Polaris. Aaron's dad is in the Polaris. Case down here. Massey, not Case. Aaron's dad. You alright? Don't know. You alright? Case here. Loader. Another Nash. 985. Hey, there's still more coming, like. I thought this all for the last one, but it's not. What is it? 2,000 at 3,000 this will be. 3,000. And 35's coming down. Oh, that 40 series is pulled out again. Yeah. You alright? Little 35X down there. And 10 series John Deere. Oh, 600 series. And 40 series. And international. That's the last tractor.